Alright, you've immigrated into the US and you're under one of the visa categories that allows you to have a work permit. What's next? Or you're seeking to immigrate into the US, but you'd like to have a work permit as well. Do you know how to get it? If you've had these or similar questions, this video is for you. Today, we'll be talking about all you need to know about the EAD. Ready? Let's go. First of all, I want to explain what the I-765 is. The form I-765 is the application for employment authorization, and it's also the form used in US immigration to request an Employment Authorization Document, or EAD. This document grants non-citizens the legal right to work in the United States for a determined period. It's commonly used by various categories of immigrants and non-immigrants, including asylum seekers, students seeking optional practical training or OPT, beneficiaries of certain visa petitions, and those applicants for adjustment of status. The EAD is crucial for these individuals as it allows them to legally obtain employment while in the US. By the way, beneficiaries of the humanitarian parole process can also submit Form I-765. Now, let's take a look at the frequently asked questions. The first question says, what are the benefits of having an EAD? Well, you can imagine that the benefits are many, and we'll actually make another video about them. But in general, the Employment Authorization Document provides a foreigner with a right to accept employment in the US for a specific period of time, especially while the adjustment of status application is pending. This can be useful for an employee who wishes to work with an employer other than the H-1B sponsor. The second question says, can I apply for an EAD while I'm outside the US? No. EAD can only be filed from within the US and is filed by the applicant. Question number 3 says, do I need a job offer to apply for an EAD? No. Applicants do not need to have a job offer in order to obtain an EAD. Question number 4 says, can I change employers with an EAD? Yes. USCIS allows flexibility to change employer or work for multiple employers as the authorization is not employer-specific. Question number 5 says, can applicants who did not apply for EAD concurrently with their application for adjustment of status apply later? Applicants who did not file for EAD with their adjustment of status application may apply for EAD at a later date. A filing fee does not have to be included as it is already included in the fee for the AOS. Question number 6 says, can my family members also work using an EAD? Yes. Spouses and minors may also obtain EADs and have the same right to accept employment in the US, while the AOS applications are pending. Question number 7 says, how long is the processing time of EAD? Well, it varies depending on which visa type you fall under or which service center is processing your EAD application. On average, it ranges from 7 months to 11 months to process, for example, an age-4 spouse's EAD application. And our last question says, how can I check the status of my EAD application? Easy. With Lawfully Case Tracker, you can check the status of your EAD application. And not only that, if your friends or family have applied for another visa, they can also track their USCIS and MVC cases with our app. All you need to do is download it from the App Store or Google Play, create your account, register your case, and start tracking. This is immigration made easy. Don't forget to leave your comments below, and see you next time!